Hi Ravi, Virti. Wish you a very happy silver wedding anniversary. Wish you many more togetherness. Neetu, from now you are starting your second phase of life. From silver to gold. Beta, be always positive in any situation. Be a good human being. Always have family bondness and respect for elders. This is a secret of life, which a gift from mother to her dear daughter. God bless you both. Wish you more togetherness. God bless you. Be happy.
Happy silver anniversary, Ravi and Neetu.
Happy Shadi Day to you. Aha. Happy Shadi Day to you. Aha. Happy Shadi Day to you, dear Neetu Ravi. Happy Shadi Day to you.
Happy silver anniversary, Bua and Jijaji. Wish you lots of years of togetherness. Cheers.
Happy anniversary, Bua and Jiju. Wishing you lots of love and happiness.
Neetu Ravi, happy anniversary from us.
Hi, Neetu Ravi. Happy anniversary.
Very sugar. Dear Neetu and dear Ravi, this is Mama, Mami, wishing you congratulations, heartiest congratulations, and happiness, wishing you all the happiness and long life, and many, many anniversaries of this kind. We are really happy to learn about your blissful life and wishing you everything that life has to offer in happiness. We love you and we hope we can meet you in person soon, okay? Again, God's blessings and congratulations to you.
Hi Neetu Ravi, happy anniversary, silver anniversary. Congratulations. God bless you, and our blessings are always with you, and have a wonderful life ahead, and God bless you, both of you. Thank you. Bye Ravi.
Wonderful.
Hari Om Neetu Ravi. Happy 25th anniversary, beta. God bless you always. Love you, Uncle Didi.
Happy anniversary, guys.
Happy 25th anniversary, Didi and Jijaji. Have an awesome one. Wishing you lots of happiness today and always. Lots and lots of love.
Hi guys, wish you a very happy 25th anniversary. Have an awesome one and hoping to celebrate soon with you guys.
Hey Ravi and Neetu, wishing you guys a very happy 25th anniversary. I know you must be laughing right now looking at my hair, but I just did a surgery in January and this is what I got back. So Ravi, if you're planning to do one after 25 years, I would suggest it's not a bad idea. Anyway, wishing you guys all the very best. Enjoy.
Happy anniversary. These are worms, by the way, from downstairs. I had to go pick them and he stuck them onto his head. Yeah.
Enjoy guys.
Enjoy guys. Bye.
Happy anniversary.
We love you.
Happy anniversary, Ravi and Neetu. God bless you abundantly.
Happy anniversary. I love you.
Happy 25th, Neetu Singh and Ravi.
Happy 25th anniversary, Neetu and Ravi. God bless you. Have a great day and a great year ahead. Love to the girls.
Happy silver anniversary. God bless you both.
Hi, Neetu, Ravi, we are very pleased that you are celebrating your silver wedding anniversary. We wish you all the best. May God bless you always.
Happy silver wedding anniversary, Neetu and Ravi. Wishing you happiness always. Neetu, I miss the good old childhood days. There was never a day when we did not see each other. And now it's years we hardly meet. Next time, please, when you come down, make it a point that our families see each other. Wishing you happiness, lots of love, and enjoy your day. See you soon.
Hello, Neetu, Ravi. It's such a pleasure to wish you both the silver wedding anniversary, and really you're a wonderful couple. Neetu, you're gorgeous, and Ravi, your sunshine should always be there on your family, as your name indicates, you're Ravi. So God bless you both, and I wish you all the best. And Neetu, please remain as gorgeous as you are. And also your lovely daughters, you are giving them such lovely sanskars, even though you are in USA, but you kept them till the Indian culture so much. I'm so proud of you both, and God bless you always. And I really wish you this journey should really pass very nicely until you reach your golden path. And we are always should be around to wish you. We are very, very proud of you, Neetu and Ravi. God bless you always, and you should get whatever you wish in your life, and you get in. God is always there for you both. Bye.
Hi, Neetu and Ravi. Happy silver anniversary. God bless you.
Hi Ravi. Hi Neetu. Happy silver anniversary. God bless you. Neetu, we still remember the day when you got married and we were with you. It was a wonderful day. Best of wishes from both of us, Bharat and Mala.
Happy anniversary, Ravi and Neetu. Cheers to many more years of joy and togetherness. Happy silver anniversary.
Hi Neetu and Ravi, wish you both a very happy 25th wedding anniversary. Wishing you lots of love and happiness and many more happy years of togetherness. Love you.
Hello Neetu D and Ravi Jiju, a very happy anniversary to you. It's your 25th anniversary. Congratulations. I hope you have the 50th soon. Stay blessed always. This is from Guria, all the way from Nottingham, UK. Take care. Bye.